Hi everyone, my name is Hannah.
My name is Wilson.
And it's another day of crafting. Since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and also we're about to celebrate our 2-year wedding anniversary, I thought it would be really fun to DIY some Valentine/anniversary cards for each other. So let me share what we have. This is my red, pink, and purple drawer. This is a bunch of paper and random,
Which she made, by the way, from
lots of pinks and purple paper here. Some Valentine's color stamps. Over here, this is my collection of hole punchies. Extra large, medium ones. A corner where you can hole punch the corner and then stick a picture or another card in it. Ideas. A box of markers, box of glue and tape. What are your ideas so far?
probably some puppet.
I kind of wanted to try something 3D too. When was the last time we crafted together?
Or like our second date?
Yes, our second date.
Second date.
We each got a mug, and so we were painting the mugs. And then Wilson, he took less than like 30 minutes. Or I feel like less than 10 minutes. He found some stamps and he just stamped each side of the mug and then he was done. And then I took 3 hours.
Yeah, I had something planned afterwards, but then Hannah took like extra 2 hours.
So that's when I learned how patient he was. Don't know if I've changed, so it's very possible that I'll be the only one left at this table in a couple hours. Let's just go ahead and get started.
No idea what I'm doing.
How creative are you feeling right now?
It's getting there.
Wow, have you done this before?
Good idea, Annie.
Right? It's better with the heart.
Progressing. Got a flower in the sun.
wondering how much you're gonna write in it, because it looks kind of small. Look how much I'm gonna write for you. And then look how much you are gonna write for me. Wilson, did you ever make Valentine's cards growing up, or did you just go to HEB and buy the
Of course.
the kits?
Yeah, the kids.
You know, I always handmade my Valentine cards.
Oh.
Yeah, in elementary school. And one year I personalized them, so every single person's card was different. It's so cute.
I needed more hair.
I just finished my card, so now it's time for our final reveal. Ta-da! So it wasn't quite a surprise because we saw each other craft, but let's do a quick exchange. Here you go.
I'll go ahead and explain mine. Mine is a picture of Hannah and a picture of me. And these are line stickers that Hannah uses. And it's an equation, so it's you plus me equals us.
Wow.
It's a pop-up. I'm very proud of that. And I drew that picture as well. But as you can see, the petals of the flower make up the two lobes of the heart, and the pointed part of the star make up the bottom part of the heart. So I was pretty proud of that as well.
That's very creative. Also goes with the equation theme here. I love it.
All right, your turn.
So for my card, even though it took a lot longer to make, my inspiration was a lot more simple. So I wanted to make our wedding flowers. Our wedding color scheme was pink, yellow, and blue. So I spent a lot of time making this 3D bouquet. I wanted to play around with the hole punchies. And on the back is a lot more simple. It's just some space for a nice written card, which I will write later.
It's very cool because it's very 3D.
Thanks. So we hope y'all enjoyed watching us craft together. I know I had a really great time. I really enjoyed crafting and seeing Wilson's creativity here, and I can't wait for the finished card with
the letter, right? So we'll spend time doing that later. But I hope y'all got some ideas and inspiration from our fun night of crafting. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!